All right, food lovers and adventure seekers. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey through the vibrant streets of Tangier, Morocco. If you're anything like me, the best way to truly experience a city is by diving headfirst into its street food scene, and let me tell you, Tangier does not disappoint. From savory bites that pack a punch to sweet treats that will dance on your tongue, this city is a feast for the senses. So, grab a fork or just your hands, because we're about to explore the absolute must-try street foods that make Tangier a foodie paradise. First up, we have a true Tangier icon, Caliente or Calenti. This isn't just any snack, it's a piece of the city's soul. Imagine a baked savory flan or pie made from chickpea flour, eggs, and spices, cooked until golden brown. You'll find it sold in slices, often served piping hot and sprinkled with a generous dash of cumin and a kick of harissa. It's comforting, hearty, and utterly unique to Tangier. You absolutely have to try it. It's often the first thing locals grab for a quick bite. Next, let's talk about a delicious nod to Tangier's Spanish influence, the baguette. This isn't your average sandwich, folks. It's a Moroccan-style baguette, generously stuffed with an incredible array of fillings. Think succulent tuna, briny olives, perfectly hard-boiled eggs, tender potatoes, or even grilled meats, all dressed with that irresistible, spicy harissa. It's a complete meal in itself, perfect for when you're on the go and need something satisfying and bursting with flavor. Now, for something that will make your taste buds sing. These are golden deep-fried potato fritters or patties, often infused with aromatic garlic, fresh parsley, cumin, and a hint of turmeric. They're wonderfully crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. You can enjoy them on their own as a delightful snack, or even better, tucked inside a warm sandwich for an extra layer of comfort and deliciousness. And of course, no Moroccan street food tours is complete without brochettes or kebabs. Picture perfectly marinated skewers of tender meat, whether it's beef, lamb, or chicken, grilled over hot coals until smoky and juicy. Each bite is a symphony of aromatic Moroccan spices that will transport you straight to culinary heaven. They're simple, classic, and always a crowd pleaser. Being a coastal city, Tangier offers some incredible seafood. You have to try the sardines grillies, or grilled sardines. Fresh from the Atlantic, these sardines are simply marinated in Chermoula, a vibrant blend of herbs and spices, and then grilled to perfection. They're light, flavorful, and incredibly fresh. It's a taste of the ocean that you won't soon forget. And don't forget their delightful cousins, sardine kefta balls, small, flavorful meatballs made from minced sardines, spiced just right, and often cooked in a tagine or fried there. A delicious and unique way to enjoy this local specialty. For a versatile and comforting treat, seek out MC Men. This is a square, layered, flaky flatbread or pancake, cooked on a griddle until perfectly golden. It's incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it savory perhaps, plain or with a sprinkle of cheese or spices. Or you can go sweet drizzling it with honey, or even the famous amlou, a Moroccan dip made from argan oil, almonds and honey. Either way, it's a delightful texture and a true Moroccan staple. When it comes to hearty and soulful, Bissara is your go-to. This is a thick, rich soup made from dried fava beans or split peas, usually served piping hot. It's traditionally drizzled with a good splash of olive oil and sprinkled with cumin, often accompanied by fresh cobs, Moroccan bread, for dipping. It's incredibly nourishing, satisfying, and perfect for a cooler evening or a wholesome lunch. And speaking of soups, you absolutely cannot miss Herrera. This classic Moroccan soup is practically a meal in itself. It's a delightful blend of tomatoes, lentils, chickpeas, and sometimes a touch of meat, all heavily seasoned with warming spices. It's especially beloved during Ramadan for breaking the fast, but you can find it year-round, and trust me, it's a bowl of pure comfort and flavor. For another fantastic bread experience, look for batbat or batbout. This is a small, fluffy, pita-like bread cooked on a pan. It's soft and airy, often split open and filled with a variety of delicious ingredients like savory kefta tuna or fresh vegetables. It's a wonderful canvas for all sorts of fillings and a popular choice for a quick, fulfilling meal. Of course, we can't talk about Moroccan food without mentioning cobs, the traditional Moroccan round loaf bread. You'll see it everywhere, often baked in communal ovens, and it's absolutely essential for scooping up tagines, dipping into delicious sauces, and accompanying almost every meal. It's wholesome, comforting, and the cornerstone of Moroccan dining. Now, for some incredible dips and spreads. Zolauk is a smoky, cooked salad or dip made from mashed eggplant, tomatoes, garlic, and spices. It's rich, flavorful, and typically eaten with plenty of cobs. Its cousin toktuka is another popular cooked salad, this one featuring a vibrant blend of tomatoes, green bell peppers, garlic, and spices. Both are fantastic, fresh and bursting with Mediterranean flavors. And then there's kefta. This refers to highly spiced ground beef or lamb, which is incredibly versatile. You'll find it grilled on skewers, cooked in a tagine with eggs and a rich tomato sauce, or even served in sandwiches. The spices make it utterly irresistible, and it's a cornerstone of Moroccan cuisine. For the adventurous eaters, Tangier offers some truly unique dishes. It's rich, savory, and a truly authentic local experience, often enjoyed in the evenings. Similarly, Kalia is a stew of lamb, goat, or beef tripe, slow-cooked with Moroccan white beans. These are dishes that tell a story and offer a deeper dive into Moroccan culinary traditions. And for something truly celebratory, keep an eye out for mechoui, a whole sheep's head cooked slowly over fire or in an oven. It's a delicacy, often associated with holidays and special occasions. For more comforting stews, try lubia, a white bean stew cooked with tomatoes and spices, often served as a side or a meal. And adas, a hearty lentil stew, is another common and nutritious quick meal that will warm you from the inside out. And for a truly unique breakfast or brunch item, you might encounter a clear omelette. Clear is preserved, dried and cooked meat, often beef, which adds an incredible depth of flavor and richness to an omelette. It's a hearty and satisfying start to your day. All right, let's shift gears to the sweet side because Tangier has some incredible treats. You absolutely must try spenge, the traditional Moroccan deep-fried donuts. They're wonderfully crispy on the outside and soft and airy on the inside, usually served plain or with a light sprinkle of sugar or a drizzle of honey. They're the perfect sweet bite for any time of day. Then there are bagara, often called thousand-hole pancakes because of their unique bubbly texture. These light yeasted semolina pancakes are like sponges for flavor. Usually served warm with a generous dollop of butter and a drizzle of honey, or with that delicious amlou, they're a delightful and visually interesting treat. During Ramadan, you'll see chickpea everywhere, intricately shaped, fried sesame cookies that are soaked in honey. They're sweet, crunchy, and absolutely addictive. But thankfully, you can often find them outside of Ramadan as well. These beautiful crescent-shaped pastries are filled with a fragrant almond paste and flavored with orange blossom water. They're delicate, elegant, and melt-in-your-mouth delicious. And of course, don't miss the wide variety of Moroccan cookies and pastries. You'll find fekas, which are delightful almond biscuits, and griba chewy almond or coconut cookies, among many others, at local bakeries and street stalls. They're perfect for an afternoon pick-me-up with a glass of mint tea. Now for drinks. Tangier has some incredible, refreshing options. Zaza or Za3 is a must-try. This is a rich, layered milkshake or juice blend, often featuring avocado, various fruits, nuts, and a scoop of ice cream. It's incredibly energizing, decadent, and a truly unique Moroccan treat. You'll also find an abundance of fresh fruit juices. Vendors throughout the city offer freshly squeezed orange juice, pomegranate juice, and a variety of mixed fruit concoctions. They're vibrant, refreshing, and the perfect way to quench your thirst. And finally, while not strictly food, ate banana or Moroccan mint tea is an absolute staple. This sweet, refreshing tea is ubiquitous and deeply ingrained in Moroccan culture. It's offered everywhere, enjoyed with snacks, and always served with warmth and hospitality. It's an experience in itself. For the truly adventurous palate, you might stumble upon cooked snails, known as babouche. These snails are cooked in a flavorful broth, seasoned with a unique blend of herbs and spices, and many believe they even have medicinal properties. It's a truly authentic and traditional street food experience. And for a quick, healthy energy boost, look out for stalls selling dried fruits and nuts. Dates, figs, almonds, and walnuts are common and make for a perfect snack as you explore the city. Tangier's street food scene is a kaleidoscope of flavors, influences, and traditions. From the unique chickpea pie of Caliente to the sweet embrace of honey-drenched chickpea, every bite tells a story. It's a culinary adventure waiting to happen, and I promise you, you'll leave with a full belly and a heart full of wonderful memories. So, when you visit Tangier, don't be shy. Dive in, try everything, and savor the incredible tastes that this city has to offer. You won't regret it. If you enjoyed this delicious tour, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more culinary adventures, and let me know in the comments which Tangier street food you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy eating!